So how would you solve that? First of all, for the denominator part, we'll just multiply 4 and root 2. That's 4 times root 2. And then here we're going to cross multiply for this 2 and 2 terms for the numerator. Root 2 times root 2. Then we have a plus, put on your plus, and then cross multiply this part, 4 times 1. Now what do we get? Root 2 times root 2 is root 2 the whole squared, plus 4 times 1 is 4 over this is 4 root 2. Now here let's solve. Square root and square gets cancelled, so you have 2 plus 4 over 4 root 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6 over 4 root 2. Now we have a root and denominator. So what I'm going to do is rationalize the denominator, multiply top and bottom by root 2. Now what do we get? We have 6 root 2 over 4 root 2 times root 2. So here we have 6 root 2 over root 2 times root 2, that's root 2 the whole square, so it becomes 4 times 2. Now you can cancel out. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 3 root 2 over 4 as our answer. Thank you so much.